Before we're going to attach the front to the rest of the pieces, what we're going to do is tape some elastic, and we're actually going to make a little holder to hold bottles of wine. So this will make it so easy if you're going grocery shopping and have a few bottles so they don't slide around, and also if you're going on a picnic. And if you don't drink, of course, you could just add some bottles of water, iced tea, or something like that. So what I did is just take a piece of elastic, and you're going to just measure out the same size as your bag. You want to leave about 3 inches on either side, and just go ahead and cut. You're going to find your center point, put a pin, then you're going to take 2 more pins, and I'm just going to give about 2 fingers worth of ease, because what you want theoretically is for this to be able to stretch and securely hold your wine bottles. So about 2 fingers of ease would be great. Then you're going to put a pin on either side, and again, just check your 2 fingers. And then we could trim some of this excess. You do want to leave a little bit of excess into the seam allowance, because this will just make sure that once you stitch everything up, that your wine holder is secure. So go ahead and take it to the machine, and we're just going to run 2 stitches on either side and then a stitch down the center. You just want to go back and forth a few times just to make sure that that's pretty secure. Go ahead and do the center seam the same way. I like to make these fairly large, because if you do want to, say, use one of those 2-liter bottles of water, or I think it's like 1.5 liters, those are fairly large, so you do want to give enough space that they'll be able to fit. And then just run your last seam. Okay, now you're ready to pin it to the rest of your lining pieces.